students, welcome back to the Elegant Math channel. In last video, we had learned determinant and the method to find the value of determinant. Today we are going to solve the simultaneous equations using determinant. Such method is called determinant method. This method was given by Swiss mathematician Gabriel Cramer. So this method is also known as Cramer's method. To use these methods, equations are first written as ax plus by equal to c. Let us consider an example. Practice set 1.3. Question number 3. First problem of question number 3. 3x minus 4y equal to 10 and 4x plus 3y equal to 5. We have to solve this equation by Cramer's rule. Here already both the equations are in the form of ax plus by equal to c. So I write the first equation and then write the second equation below the first equation. In Cramer's method, you have to find the value of three determinants, that is d, dx and dy. Now observe these two equations. You can see three columns, that is first column, second column and third column. Let us say the first column A. Let us say the second column B, and we denote the third column by C. इन तीनों डिटर्मिनेंट्स की वैल्यू निकालने के लिए आपको तीन कोड याद रखने हैं. डिटर्मिनेंट डी के लिए अपना कोड है ए बी. डिटर्मिनेंट डीएक्स के लिए कोड है सी बी. डिटर्मिनेंट डी वाई के लिए कोड है ए सी. ये तीन डिटर्मिनेंट के तीन कोड आपको याद रखने हैं. अब ए कॉलम में क्या है 3 एंड 4, बी कॉलम में -4 एंड 3, सी कॉलम में 10 एंड 5. सो लेट अस फर्स्ट वी फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ डिटर्मिनेंट डी. अब डी के लिए हमारा कोड क्या है ए बी, मतलब पहले ए कॉलम वाले नंबर आएंगे 3 एंड 4, 3 4. बाद में बी कॉलम वाले नंबर क्या है -4 एंड 3, -4 एंड 3. ओके. नाउ टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ डिटर्मिनेंट डी, multiply 3 into 3, that is cross multiplication. Here by rule minus sign, 4 has minus sign, therefore I draw here square bracket. -4 in round bracket, -4 into 4 square bracket close. 3 into 3 9, minus sign as it is. Here 4 4 is 16, plus minus minus. Here I write the rules of signs. Plus into minus equal to minus, and minus into minus equal to plus. 4 4 is 16, plus minus minus 16. 9 as it is, minus minus plus 16 as it is. 16 plus 9 equal to 25. Okay, that is 25 is the value of determinant D. Now we find value of determinant dx. अभी डिटर्मिनेंट dx के लिए कोड क्या है? CB. C कॉलम में क्या है? 10 and 5. Therefore write the number of C column 10 and 5. Then B column. B column में क्या है? -4 and 3. Here is no need to write the plus sign. Again here cross multiply 10 into 3. Minus sign according to rule. Then -4 in round bracket into -4 into 5 square bracket close. 10 into 3, 10 3s are 30, minus sign as it is. Now 4 5s are 20, plus minus here, plus minus minus according to rule, plus minus minus. Therefore 5 4s are 20, plus minus minus, minus 20. 30 as it is, minus minus plus. Therefore 30 plus 20 gives us 50. Therefore 50 is the value of determinant dx. Now we find value of determinant dy. अभी dy के लिए अपना कोड क्या है? AC. मतलब A कॉलम वाले नंबर पहले आएंगे. A कॉलम के नंबर्स क्या है? 3 and 4. So we write first 3 and 4. Then C column. C column में क्या है? 10 and 5. I write here 10 and 5. Again to find the value of determinant dy, you have to apply cross multiplication. 3 into 5. By rule, here is a minus sign. 10 into 4. Let us solve this. 3 into 5, 15, minus sign as it is, 10 4s are 40. Now 15 minus 40 gives us minus 25. Here greater number has minus sign, therefore 25 has minus sign. Now to find the value of x, write the formula dx upon d, and to find the value of y, formula is dy upon d. Now what is the value of dx? Dx is 50. So put the value of dx, that is 50 upon d. What is d? Value of d is 25. I put here value of d 25. 25 to the 50. Therefore value of x is 2. Similarly here value of dy is minus 25. I put here minus 25 and value of d is 25. 25 ones are 25. Here 25 has minus sign, therefore 1 has minus sign. Y equal to minus 1. Therefore x equal to 2 and y equal to minus 1 is the solution. Okay. Now let us consider the second example. 4x plus 3y minus 4 equal to 0, 6x equal to 8 minus 5y. Now first write the given equation in the form of ax plus by equal to c. x और y वाली जो टर्म है वो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में होने चाहिए और कांस्टेंट राइट हैंड साइड में होने चाहिए. सो आई राइट द फर्स्ट इक्वेशन एज 4x plus 3y minus 4 is transposed to the right side. Therefore minus 4 become plus 4. This is our C. Similarly, I write the second equation below the first equation. 6x as it is. Here minus 5y is transposed to the left side. Therefore minus 5y is written as plus 5y. 8 is as it is. Now we have written both the equations in the form of ax plus by equal to c. Now find the value of determinant d, then determinant dx and then determinant dy. अभी हमारा कोड क्या है d के लिए अपना कोड है a b. dx के लिए कोड क्या है c b और dy के लिए क्या है a c. ये हमारा रफ पोर्शन है, ये आपको लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. सो लेट अस वी फाइंड वैल्यू ऑफ डिटर्मिनेंट d. ये पहला कॉलम हमारा a है, ये दूसरा कॉलम b है और तीसरा कॉलम c. ये भी आपको लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. a कॉलम में क्या है 4 and 6, b कॉलम में 3 and 5 और c कॉलम में 4 and 8. What is the code of determinant d? AB. So write the numbers of column A. Column A में कौन से नंबर है 4 and 6. Therefore I write here 4 and 6. In column B में क्या है 3 and 5. Now multiply 4 and 5. 4 into 5 minus 3 into 6. Here is a cross multiplication. 4 into 5, 3 into 6. Five fours are 20 minus 3 6 are 18. 20 minus 18 gives us 2. 2 is the value of determinant d. Similarly, we find the value of determinant dx. dx का कोड क्या है cb. तो c कॉलम में क्या है 4 and 8, राइट 4 and 8. देन b में क्या है 3 and 5. अगेन क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन 4 and 5, 4 into 5 माइनस साइन बाय रूल. देन 3 into 8. 4 into 5, 20 minus sign as it is. 3 into 8, 24. 20 minus 24 gives us minus 4. Greater number has minus sign, therefore 4 has minus sign. Now we find the value of determinant dy. What is the code for dy? AC. In column A, there are 4 and 6. Therefore I write here 4 and 6. Then column C. In column C, there are 4 and 8. 4 and 8. Now cross multiplication 4 into 8 minus 4 into 6. 4 into 8 minus 4 into 6. 4 into 8, 4 8 जा 32 minus 4 6 जा 24. 32 minus 24 gives us 8. So value of determinant dy is 8. Now we find value of x and y. To find value of x, formula is dx upon d. Now what is the value of dx? Value of dx is minus 4 and value of d is 2. Therefore minus 4 upon 2 gives us minus 2. Value of x is minus 2. Now we find value of y. Formula is dy upon d. Now value of dy is 8. Put the value of dy and value of d is 2. 2 4 is 8. Value of y is 4. Therefore x equal to minus 2 and y equal to 4 is the solution. ये जो रफ पोर्शन है ये आपको समझने के लिए है, इसको आपको लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. ठीक है.